Alright, I'm gonna do the cabin air filter. And it looked pretty easy. There's about 3 of these on the top. 1, 2, 3, and then somewhere down here underneath this. Let's see. Oh, you can see, not that, right there. There's about another 3. That shouldn't be hard to pop off. There's a screw kind of right here, and then the whole thing pops out. Here goes nothing. So it's all out. See what I need. Didn't break any pins or anything popped, which is nice. I don't know why it has to be such a damn pain. Although mine looks different. It looks like this comes off in a different way, so I gotta figure this out now somehow. Oh well. Just a little clip to bend backwards, but here we go. Let's see what this thing looks like. Oh. Oh yeah. It's just a little covered in dirt. Yes, this ain't too bad. You know, I've definitely seen a lot worse. Yeah, I think I could just blow this one off and it'll be good for another 200,000 miles. Is that a piece of paper? Oh gosh. Nothing's crawling in it though. We'll look at that later. And not put it in the car. Is this just a regular piece of paper? Yeah. Also did the regular air filter. I only did it once before, but you could tell it kind of needed it. It's got like a second shield right there, but in between it's all dirty. So yeah, now this one is just covered with stuff. So now I'm going to turn on the car, see if there's any difference in the blower.